So, shot making, that's beautifully played away for 4. What a shot that is. That shot into the gap, runs away from the fielder. There's the drive into the gap, that is a brilliant shot.
Clips into the next side, very fine, and 4 will also bring up the 50 partnership, 50.
Slow ball, punished. That's well fielded at mid-off, really is a grand effort, you've got to call it that. Looking game of this. That's in the air, plays everything. He tried similar kind of a shot with the previous delivery.
That is some shot. So Bar's the hard track, he's going to pick up the boundary.